Hi there, students. Fictitious, an adjective. Fictitiously, the adverb. Okay, we use this adjective fictitious to describe something that's false, something that doesn't exist, although somebody or various people claim that it's true. So, fictitious rumours were spread about his behaviour. The police received a fictitious report that a fire had taken place. So something that's not real, not true, something that's imagined or fabricated. Yeah, it's fake, it's counterfeit. Yeah. The company were fined for making fictitious claims about the efficiency or the effectiveness of their product. Yeah, these were bogus, untrue. You can also use fictitious to talk about something that's invented for fiction. So here, fiction, as in writing that's not real. Yeah, I like science fiction. Although I think fictional is probably a better adjective to use. To me, fictitious most normally gives the idea of something that was invented to trick. It's something that was fabricated. You could use fictitious. Yeah, all of the events that took place in this movie are fictitious. Yeah. I think in that case I would use fictitious instead of fictional. But they are made up, they're invented. So, fictitious, spurious, fake, normally created with the intention to hide something, to trick something. Yeah, so he gave a fictitious name to the police. He told them a fictitious story. The accountant included fictitious transactions in the account so that he could steal money. Yeah. Okay, so fictitious, concocted, particularly with the idea of misleading or deceiving, to make up. Yeah. I guess fictitious characters in a book. I think fictional characters. Yeah, I think fictitious has maybe more an idea of something based on reality as well, but it's not real. He fictitiously tried to make me believe that he was a police officer. Okay, so this is the idea of fictitious. Something that is some people believe is true, but it's not actually true. So a fictitious character, a fictitious name, a fictitious story. He always acts very fictitiously, and he tends to lie about everything that he says. So I gave the police a fictitious address. Yeah, not the real one. He feigned happiness. This was fictitious joy. Feign, F-E-I-G-N. It refers to something that's invented by the imagination. Yeah, but it doesn't actually exist. Yeah, a fictitious character, something like that. Okay, fictitious, formality. I'm going to give it a 6. I think informally I might use the word fake or false or sham. But you could use, I guess, fictitious in an informal conversation. Probably better semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then, as to origin, it comes from Latin fictitious. Yeah, fictitious, which has the idea of something that's not real, something that's artificially produced. From fictus, yeah, which is I think invented. feigned, something like that. Okay, so fictitious. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fictitious, fictitiously.